Delve into the world of natural remedies with the power of castor oil, a centuries-old secret for eye health. With anti-inflammatory properties, this remedy helps reduce eye swelling and redness, while boosting circulation and promoting eyelash growth. To harness these benefits, here's your guide. Start with acquiring cold-pressed castor oil. With clean hands, apply a small amount of castor oil to a clean cotton swab. Smoothly rub the oil onto your eyelids, taking care to avoid direct eye contact. Let the oil work its magic overnight, and rinse with warm water in the morning. Remember, direct castor oil application into your eyes is a no-go. Discontinue use at any signs of irritation. Consultation with your doctor before beginning this regimen is wise, especially for those with underlying eye conditions. In conclusion, castor oil presents a natural, safe avenue to eye health, given its proper use. If you're intrigued by the potential of castor oil for eye health, please engage with your doctor first. Here's to clear, healthy eyes and the power of nature's remedies.